Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to make account on Fiverr using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Fiverr. Okay. And now you want to click on log in. And now here at the bottom part, you can see the not a member yet, join now, right? So just go ahead and click on join now. Here, just go ahead and enter your email, or you can just go ahead and continue with Facebook, Google, or with Apple. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enter my email and click on continue. Now you need to type your username and your password. So it says that looks like this username is already taken. Please pick a new one. Okay, so you need to make sure that your username is unique. And after that, just go ahead and type your password and click on join. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and save your account on your Google account, or you can just go ahead and click on never. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and sign in by using your email and the password you've created earlier. Okay, and as you can see, I already have my Fiverr account. And that is how you create your Fiverr account using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.